I understand about saving money. Well, here's a good knife for under $20. The Winchester 3-blade folding hunter. The stainless steel. It's a good knife. Something you should seriously look at for under $20. Stay tuned. The Winchester 3-blade folding hunter. First one. Second one. Guess what the third one is? A saw blade. It's a good knife. It's well built, stainless steel. I believe it's 440. 1/8 inch thick steel. Of course, it's ground down and shaped the way they wanted it at the factory. Teeth are good. They're made not necessarily to cut wood, but they're made to go ahead and cut bone. It will cut wood, but you should have a different tooth pattern for wood. But this here is made for the pelvic area and other bones of animals, big game animals. Right here, you've got what's called a gut hook. But I guess if you was in a pinch, this is the only knife you had, and you needed to cut yourself out of a seatbelt, it might just work. I'd go ahead and touch that up in there and get that sharp. The knife comes fairly sharp. It's for under $20 when you find it. I got this particular knife on sale. Yeah, I know, on sale. It's the way I try to buy things. $6.97. It was a clearance sale. It's a good knife, though. There's one drawback to this knife, and that is that it's heavy. And it's heavy because it's made out of good quality steel. It's put together well. It has steel, stainless steel bolsters in there. Everything's good. The site says that this is wood. It's not. I don't think it's wood. I think it's laminated. See how much it weighs. About 9 ounces. 9 ounces. That's not too bad. This is a good knife. It really is for under $20. I've seen it different places for $19. Within a week, it came down, clearance, and I bought one. But it's a good knife, good quality, heavy-duty steel. Tight, everything clicks. Go ahead and release it. Everything's up. Hear that click? Everything's tight. It's no problem with that. Sit there, mess around, cut myself again. You can get yourself a good budget hunting knife folder, or now you got to remember it weighs about 9 ounces. You could carry this as an EDC, and it would do practically everything you need it to do. Each blade is advertised as 3.5 inches long. Actually, it's closer to 4 inches. Workable area. Here to here is 3 inches. And it's about 8.25 inches when it's extended out. Overall length. The sheath it comes with is your typical nylon cheap sheath. It does have an attractive Winchester logo on it. But it works. Now if you put this in another sheath, tight-fitting sheath, it's going to be difficult to get out, but not on this one. This one here, it comes out real easy. But I found a different sheath. Fits in real easy. This will work good. Now, get yourself, go to a military surplus store and get a magazine pouch. Small 1 or 2 clip magazine pouch. It will fit in there. Now, if it fits in there hard, you're going to have to run a lanyard through that hole so you can pull it out real easy, because this is kind of hard to bring out right now until it loosens up.